Od bura mamalo ochako chenro mar piedho jogoro mongirore 14 manowal gi jatend piny William Ruto. Wane ane kaka chenro makama dhi nyime.
Enshrined in our constitution, if you look at chapter 1 under the rights, basic rights, so access to information, media freedom, and also free expression are actually guaranteed in the constitution. Those are among the protected clauses in the constitution. No one can touch them. And the way it was framed is that, in fact, if there's any intervention, it's actually around safeguarding national interests, security, and all that. So just from the onset, Honorable Bensouda, my approach will actually be, first of all, refer to the constitution, refer to the law, and ensure that that law and constitution is actually being respected by both the government agencies and the media operators. Number two, where there could be issues operational, my approach will actually be engagement. So that if they're free, they should say what they want, but there's also freedom with accountability.
Most importantly is that we have to get a new framework of engaging with the health workforce. I believe that one of the challenges has been the dialogue mechanism. And in the dialogue mechanism, again, my experience is that we established the committees, or basically the committees at both the hospital and at the county level and also at the national levels to look at the implementation of the CP. And those committees were fairly prescriptive in the membership, but they were also fairly prescriptive in the things that they were supposed to do. At the county level, for example, we expected the county secretary, the chief officer health, chief officer finance, human resources for health director, together with the union leadership at the county level, to sit every 3 months to tease out the issues, to classify the issues, if they are policy issues, if they are administrative issues, if they are finance issues, so that then they can be sorted in that manner.